Fast facts! The Sun On Yi is based on the real-life Sun Yi On, one of the world's largest triad organizations. For research, the developers actually met with the members of Sun Yi On, some of which are portrayed as actual people in the game, although with different names.
Time for you to die!
To show his commitment to going undercover, Wei Shen getting all his tattoos was an alternate opening sequence idea. Among Wei's tattoos are Guan Yu, the Taoist god of war, who favors loyalty and righteousness, and Wei's late sister Mimi.
Dispatch! This is Shen. What are these clowns doing?
In Japan, some aspects of sleeping dogs were censored to pass the legal classification system. Changes included adding penalties for attacking civilians, some reduced organ exposure, and removing the ability to run over the woman who signals the start of the street races. Fast facts!